I don't know what this thing is called, but I think it's human being. It has two eyes, one nose, one mouth, and a black hair and a small head, and two arms, two legs, and it's moving a lot in its place, and it's too cute and funny and beautiful.
I don't know what they call this. It used for transformation. It made metal. It has so many different shapes and colors. It needs all to work. Usually it has four places to sit on, but one person can drive it, so it depends on human for moving.
It's a kitchen machine for keeping food and drink cold. It's powered by electric. It has a cubic shape that's made by plastic with a side-by-side drawer. Inside it, there are many shelves which can you place things on it and have this place that give you the water and two shape of ice in a small size and in a big size.
I don't know what human call this. It's something with a white sauce and meat and cheese, and it's spicy. And I think people like it so much, and they think it's so tasty, but I haven't tasted it yet. And I will taste it. It's so tasty.